Imagine opening Claude and it already knows your tone and preferences from ChatGPT. That's what you get when you switch from ChatGPT to Claude. Claude can import memory from ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI providers. Here's how to do it. Open Claude and click your profile icon. Go to Settings, then under Customize, click Memory. If it's off, toggle it on. You'll see an option called Import Memory from other AI providers. It's a built-in Claude feature, not a third-party tool. Click Start Import. Claude gives you a prompt. Copy that prompt. That's the Claude side done. Now let's grab your data from ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, click your profile icon and open Personalization. Scroll down and check that memory is turned on. If it's off, toggle it on. If you have ChatGPT Plus, you can try a thinking model. It may give you a more complete summary of your saved memory. Paste that prompt into the ChatGPT chat. ChatGPT generates a summary of what it remembers about you. Copy that response. Go to Claude and paste it into the import box. Click Add to Memory. With one copy and paste, Claude picks up where ChatGPT left off. Claude automatically organizes the imported information into individual memory entries inside your account, and you'll see it saved there, ready to edit or delete anytime. That's the full switch from ChatGPT to Claude, done in minutes. Try it yourself and see what Claude knows about you. Subscribe for more AI tutorials.